Do you feel like no one truly understands you? Or do you struggle to express your thoughts clearly? Great communication isn't a talent, it's a skill, and you can master it starting today. Intro section, setting the stage. In this video, we're diving into actionable strategies to supercharge your communication skills. Whether you're looking to connect better with friends, impress at work, or just feel more confident in conversations, these tips will help you transform how you communicate. Let's get started. Section 1. The foundation of great communication. 1. Listen first. The best communicators aren't just great talkers, they're incredible listeners. Active listening means giving someone your full attention, asking clarifying questions, and showing genuine interest in what they're saying. 2. Clarity is key. Before you speak, take a moment to organize your thoughts. Keep your message clear and concise. Remember, simplicity is powerful. Section 2. Building confidence. 1. Body language matters. Your words are only part of the story. Stand tall, make eye contact, and use open gestures to convey confidence and approachability. 2. Practice, practice, practice. The more you practice speaking, whether it's giving presentations, talking to strangers, or even recording yourself, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. Section 3. Enhancing emotional connection. 1. Empathy wins. Put yourself in the other person's shoes. Show understanding and acknowledge their feelings. When people feel heard, they're more likely to open up to you. 2. Ask thoughtful questions. Instead of just talking about yourself, ask open-ended questions that encourage deeper conversations. This shows you're genuinely interested. Section 4. Final pro tip. And here's a secret weapon: storytelling. People connect with stories. Share personal experiences or examples to make your point more relatable and memorable. Communication is a skill you can improve with practice and intentionality. Start applying these tips today, and you'll see the difference in your conversations almost immediately. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more personal growth tips. Share in the comments your biggest communication challenge. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and let's keep the conversation going.